Today we'll be changing door latch for Frigidaire. Latch, the same company. Part number 53044600923. And this is how it looks like. So first we have to remove the screws which are holding the assembly front with the control panel. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws plus 2 here holding a latch. So yeah, I'll pause until I remove it and okay. Or maybe it's better to remove all the screws around around the front plate. It will be easier. Now when we remove the front panel, and yeah, we have only 2 screws for a door latch and those cables, so make sure to put the cables back like they're right now. It's possible to change even here without the switch, but maybe it's better to take these out. So just have to take those 2 screws which are holding door latch. And take those 2 wires from those switches and a screwdriver for it. So now, since we have to insert the switches, we change the switches, now we insert them back. And put this thing here. And now, since we put back that door latch, we make sure that it's in a disengaged position, which is the front of the. And yeah, we put the screws back and put the front piece too. So. Make sure we hold these because it will fall. Here we put 2 screws, after that is here and there, the other end. So yeah, now we put all screws back and those two up front on the top. And yeah, that would be it. And then just test it after the good.